Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Sivan Reddy. I am Srinivasa Ramanjan, Institute of Technology. I am CSM branch, subject machine learning. Today topic is linear models, perception logistic and linear regression. Linear models, perception logistic linear regression. Introduction to linear models. Linear models are fundamental tools in sustainable learning and machine learning. They help in understanding relationships relationship between input features output perception. This presentation covers three three key linear models: perception, logistic regression, and linear regression. What is perception? The perception is one of the earliest algorithms for supervised learning in machine learning. It is primarily used for binary classification tasks by using a linear decision boundary. The perception updates its weights based on the qualification error during training iterations. Perception algorithm. The algorithm involves initializing weights and iteratively updating them based on errors. Each input feature is multiplied by its corresponding weight and the sum of computed. It is a weighted sum exceeds a certain threshold, the model outputs a positive class, otherwise, it inputs a negative close. Limitations of perception. The perception can only classify linear separate data effectively. It struggles with data sets that require non-linear decision boundaries for accurate classification. Additionally, the perception does not coverage if the data is not linear separable. Introduction to logistic regression. A logistic regression is a statistical method for predicting binary outcomes based on independent variables. It models the probability that a given instance belongs to a particular category using a logistic function. This model is commonly used for classification problems and provides interpretable results. Logistic function. The logistic function transforms any input value into a probability between 0 and 1. It is defined by the equation P y equals to 1 x equals to 1 by 1 plus e summation z, where z is a linear combination of inputs. The S-shaped curve of the logistic function helps in modeling the probability of class membership. Advantages of logistic regression. Logistic regression is easy to implement and interpret, making it accessible for beginners. It performs well when the relationship between the independent variables and the long odds of the independent variable is linear. The model also provides valuable insights into future importance through coefficient analysis. Introduction to linear regression. Linear regression is a method for modeling the relationship between a independent variable. It is widely used in various fields such as economics, biology, and social sciences for predictable analysis. Linear regression equation. The linear regression model is expressed as y equals to b naught b1 into 1 plus bz xz plus bn x1 plus e. Here y is the dependent variable, x as independent variables, b as the coefficient, and e is the error them. The coefficient indicate the strength and directions of the relationship between predictions and the response variable. Conclusion and applications. Linear models like perception, logistic, and linear regression are fundamental techniques in data science. There are widely applicable is in various domains helping to make predictions and for informed decision making. Understanding these models equipping predictions will essential skills for analyzing and interpreting data effectively. Thank you.